this is Opinion Radar, and if you know me, you know I'm always on the hunt for cute, creative ways to spice up my downtime, especially if it means making something I can actually wear. Today's drop: the Make It Real, Swift Clicks, Heishi Bracelet Maker, a trendy little crafting gadget that's been blowing up online. I first spotted it in a friend's Instagram story, stacked with colorful beads and looking like a mini art station you'd find in a DIY influencer's dream room. At $17, it's not just a craft kit. It's a full-on accessory-making experience, and honestly, it seemed too good to be true. I've burned through my fair share of easy craft sets that turn out to be more frustrating than fun, so I was low-key skeptical. But something about the sleek design and endless customization potential had me clicking add to cart before I could overthink it. Now, let's just say my jewelry box is about to get a major upgrade. Okay, so I have to be real with you. When I first saw this Make It Real, Swift Clicks Bracelet Maker, I was like, is this thing actually going to work, or is it just another craft kit that ends up collecting dust? But after trying it for myself, I can say this. If you're into making friendship bracelets, or honestly, even if you just want a fun, creative activity for a girls' movie night, this little gadget is kind of genius. The whole setup is super compact and cute, like something you'd see on a TikTok craft haul. It's got this click mechanism that feeds beads onto your cords super fast. No more struggling to thread tiny beads one by one. I made a whole bracelet while watching one episode of Bridgerton, and that says a lot. The kit comes with over 2,000 beads, so you can mix and match colors and styles to make something unique for everyone in your squad. Plus, it's so satisfying to click your way through a design, like a little crafting beat that matches the rhythm of your favorite Taylor Swift song. Seriously, it's so perfect if you're making concert bracelets for the Eras tour or just want to gift something handmade with love. I gave this to my little sister for her birthday. She's 9 and totally into arts and crafts, and she's been obsessed ever since. She's made bracelets for all her friends at school, and each one turns out so neat and professional looking. One thing I really love: the whole process is way faster than doing it by hand. I used to spend like 20 minutes making one bracelet. Most of that time was just me cursing at a stubborn seed bead that wouldn't go on the string. With this machine, it took her under 3 minutes to finish one. And it's not just speed. The tension is consistent, so the beads don't bunch up or leave awkward gaps. You just load the beads into the carousel, slide the thread into the guide, and hit the button. It pulls the thread through and adds one bead at a time with this smooth, reliable motion. It feels almost like magic, but like crafty magic you can actually use. I've seen kids use it during sleepovers, and it totally becomes the centerpiece of the party. Everyone wants to design their own style. Now, let's be honest, nothing's perfect, and this little machine does have a few quirks. There were a few times when the beads kind of jammed, especially if they weren't loaded just right. And the tiny needle that comes with it, super easy to lose. My sister already misplaced hers, and now we're on the hunt for a replacement. Why don't they make extras? Also, a couple of the beads cracked when we were tightening the bands, which was a little disappointing. But honestly, for how fun and functional it is overall, those feel more like little growing pains than deal breakers. Once you get the hang of loading the beads correctly and using the right tension, it works way better. I watched a quick YouTube tutorial, shout out to the craft queens out there, and after that it was smooth sailing. It does take a second to learn the rhythm, like any new gadget, but once you get it, it's so intuitive. Plus, the fact that it keeps the beads from slipping off the back end of the string? Absolute game changer. No more chasing beads across the floor. The variety of designs you can create is seriously impressive. I made a chunky rainbow stack for my best friend, then switched it up with some metallic beads and letter beads to spell out our initials. It's wild how personalized you can get with it. And because the process is so fast, you don't feel guilty making multiple bracelets. Perfect for gifting. I even used it to make matching ones with my little cousins during a family weekend, and they were so proud showing them off. It's not just for kids either. As someone in my early 20s, I still love doing little DIY projects, and this feels more like a creative tool than a toy. You can use it for boho chic styles, minimalist designs, or even layered looks. Plus, the finished bracelets hold up well. I've worn mine every day for a week and they still look fresh. Just a pro tip. After you tie the knot, dab a little clear nail polish on it to keep it from unraveling. Learned that the hard way after my first bracelet came undone mid-outing. But let's talk value. At $17, it's not super cheap for a craft kit, and I'll admit, if this thing only worked half the time, I'd be annoyed. Some people on the internet, okay, not that I was reading reviews or anything, seem split. Like, some say it's amazing, others say it's a frustration mess. From my experience, it's more amazing than not. Yes, it takes a little patience at first, but compared to other kits we've tried, this one actually works most of the time. You get so many beads and components in the set, and the machine itself is durable enough to last through heavy use. And considering how much time you save, totally worth it if you're into making multiple bracelets. Think birthday gifts, best friend swag, or just treating yourself to a cute new accessory without spending $20 on one dainty chain from a boutique. Overall, I'd say this is one of the most fun and efficient craft kits I've used in a long time. It's not flawless, but it brings serious joy and creativity to something that used to feel tedious. Whether you're a kid, a teen, or just a young adult who loves a good DIY vibe, it's a solid pick. It's small enough to toss in a tote, easy to store, and honestly, just really fun to use. I love that it turns bracelet making into a shared activity. Like, instead of scrolling on our phones, we're actually creating something together. And at the end, you've got wearable memories. So if you're looking for a gift or just want to spice up your crafting game, I definitely recommend giving this a try. Just keep that needle safe and have some nail polish ready. If you're ready to click your way to cute custom bracelets, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun finds. Let's make every day craftastic. Hit that bell so you never miss a DIY drop. Let's create, connect, and charm the world, one swift click at a time.